All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $107.43 for the goods. It's all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $15.19, and as always, that total includes the tax. Gotta keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. Thus the detailed breakdown below the video. You can, under the video, there's a little more. You hit more, and it'll expand and show the detailed breakdown of everything. This is for the week of August 11th, August 17th, or August 10th to August 16th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So today is August 11th, the first day of the sale. I'm down south. I'm gonna be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do them the rest of the week, because some will, you know, expire right away. But the sooner you get this information, the better. Also, help my channel out. Hit the like button, hit that thumbs up button. So some of these deals are going to expire because some are from the extra savings book. They will expire tomorrow, August 12th, but there'll be new deals. I'm going to post a new video, and some of the coupons will expire, but hopefully you can do these deals right away. Some you'll be able to do all week. So we get right into here, probably the 12 or so best deals of the week. I thought, you know what, and I could have got more. You know, I have such a big money maker. I should have got some more stuff. I just go for like really good deals, thus money maker every week. But I'm gonna start throwing in some more practical, you know, not that good of deals, but more practical stuff. I'm still gonna have an overage money maker. Hopefully keep that streak alive of, you know, whatever, 2 years of having a money maker every week. So this week was no different. Let's start with this So Delicious. Easy one here, free on Ibotta. It's $1.91, and it gives you $1.99 back on Ibotta for that. So totally free. I think there's a manufacturer printable. If you can find that, you'll even have a moneymaker. I didn't, so I just had a 9-cent overage, $1.91, $1.99 back from Ibotta. All right, Tates. It's another Ibotta free one. Just have it clipped beforehand. Submit your receipt. Get the line those edges up in the green, you know, 2 pictures or whatever, and submit your receipt. It automatically comes off. As I said, I got all my Ibotta rebates selected. My tip: select all your Ibotta rebates, select all your digital coupons prior to going into the store. So, you know, things come off accidentally sometimes. So believe me, it happens. So have them all clipped. That's the best way. My best advice there. All right. So I guess it's $1.25, and actually it's on a sale for $1. Either way, free, completely free on Ibotta. You get it back, so completely free. Keep going. Did this deal last week. Did it again. Got a little better this week. So it is $11.99 and $2.19 for the Band-Aids, or $2.19 and $2.19, and $11.99 for the Zyrtec children. Altogether, that adds up to $16.37. So you're above a $15 back to school activate rebate. You get $5 Visa gift card, so that helps. They did approve mine. It's only 2 per household, so keep that in mind if you're going to try to do this deal a bunch of times. So I have another property, so I'm able to do four times. Let's get right into it here. So there is a manufacturer coupon for the Zyrtec. I don't have it on the table, from the Save 717. There's also a Publix digital coupon, so if you don't have that. There's also a extra savings coupon that expires tomorrow, so do this deal right off. That's $4 off. That one, this is $3 off. And there's also 75-cent from the Save 717, which I don't have. I didn't use that this time. As I mentioned, $5 a rebate when you spend. When you get this, you'll get a $5 rebate in the mail Visa gift card. And there is $4 coupons.com. I haven't got my money back from that one. That's a new one. So hopefully that'll go through. It's $4.38 overage for both of these if you follow my breakdown below and do this deal. Well, I haven't gotten the coupons.com, so I can't be so sure on that, but usually it goes through. All right, always discreet. You know me, I've done this deal. Did this deal last week. Was a better deal. Regular price now for $5.99 each, so $12.88 when you factor the tax. And use one of these from the PG of August. takes $5 off, and then at the end put your digital coupon in, and there's a $5 off at 2 for the Publix digital coupon that came off as well. As I said, have them all selected. $11.98 or $12.88. Submit that to Stocking Spree, and it's roughly about $2.40. So that's about 48 cents for these. So it's $12.88, $5 from the coupon there, $5 from the digital coupon, and $2.40 from Stocking Spree, costing you only 48 cents. I've done this deal before, last week and the week before, and done it a lot. All right, Centrum. Get the Centrum Silver 80 count because it's $9.58 is the regular price. There's a $3 off coupon. Expires August 12th from the Extra Savings book. Coupons.com has this printable. There's also a digital coupon. So I use this one. It comes in as vendor coupon on the receipt. And then Coupons.com, there's $3 back. Coupons.com rebate. So factor all those, $9.59 spent. You get 3 from the manufacturer printable coupon, 3 from the store coupon, 3 from the Coupons.com rebate, costing you only 59 cents. And folks, as always, I was working up to something. This week was a gas card, so that was why I got $10 more off. I do not have it here. It was actually on the back page this time. So flip to the back of the flyer. I guess it's regional, so maybe not at every store, not in every region of the country. But in Florida here, it is. So I got my Wawa card for $40 instead of $50. And I actually broke this up into 2 transactions because I had a $5 off of $30, so I did a $30 transaction just going over 30. Had that 5 off as well. Got a Sprouts nearby? Shoot me a comment because this one is next week to August 21st, and I can maybe get you one of those in the mail because I've got a few of them. All right, let's carry on. All right, Blue Bunny. Blue Bunny, look at that. Melting already, no. So these are regularly $2.79 each. Factor the tax, they come to $6 exactly. And as you see right there, there's a manufacturer printable coupon for 75 cents off. I got the link to print that below. I've actually printed that a while back. Hopefully it's still good. So 75 cents. And then we got Swag Bucks, or My Points, has 600 points when you buy 2 of them, which is equivalent to $6. Went through right away, so I was happy about that because you never know with the Swag Bucks. Sometimes you gotta submit a claim or whatever. $1.50 overage for those 2 Blue Bunnies. So that was a good deal. Noosa. This is Noosa frozen yogurt gelato, whatever you call it. $5.19. So for 2 of them with the tax, cost $11.16. However, they're BOGO, so for 2 of them cost $5.58. So $5.58 spent. Oh. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off. Also, you can see my wet coupon here. It is a in-store Blinky dispenser coupon for $1. I used 2 of these actually. I didn't use my digital coupon because save my digital coupon for another time. But this is in store right in front of the display there. So get your hands on these. Use 2 of those. So that's wet. $5.58 spent. I used 2 of those. That took $2 off. Ibotta has $2 off. That took another $2 off. And there's a rebate for another $1 off. PayPal kind of rebate kind of thing. So that only cost me 58 cents. Damn, I did my breakdown wrong. So I actually had a $16 overage. All right, so 58 cents for both of those when you do it. If you can find these. If not, it's $1.58 for both of them. So great deal. All right, DrPrager burger. We've done these before. Regular price $5.79. So for 4 of them, cost you $23.16. However, they are actually on sale for $4.79 and they're BOGO. So that's really good. I've even seen them lower than that. I've seen them for like $3.83 BOGO, but still, I'll take it. $4.79. So let's see, for 4 of them, cost you $9.58. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon, as you can see. There's no really limit on this. I got the link to print it below this video, as well as a detailed breakdown, as I mentioned. So that used 4 of those. That's $8 more off. Only costing me $1.58 for these 4 boxes. So that's roughly 39 cents each. All right, keep it going. Gogurt mixed berry. So these are regularly $3.06. I don't make the prices, you know, $2.99 would seem a little better, but $3.06 is their price. So for two of them is $6.12. However, the BOGO this week. So $3.06 for both of them, which is very good deal because there is a Publix digital coupon for $1.50 off of two. So that takes $1.50 off. Ibotta has 50 cents Ibotta rebate. I think it's a limit of 5, so I got two of them, so that's another $1. Coupons.com has $1.50 off of two rebate as well. So that's another $1.50 to the good. And Fetch, if you spend 6, which they calculated that I spent 6, gave me another 50 cents back, or 500 Fetch points, which is equivalent to 50 cents. So all said and done, $3.06 spent for these two boxes, $1.50 back from the Publix digital coupon, $1 back from Ibotta, $1.50 back from the coupons.com app rebate, and 500 points from Fetch, 50 cents from Fetch, making that $1.44 overage if you do it this way. All right, keep it going. Astepro allergy medicine, and I seen this coupon. I wanted to use it because $7 is pretty cool. So this is $18.99 for this guy. Pretty expensive. $18.99 for this guy. There is a $7 manufacturer coupon. Expires August 14th, so you got 3 days to do it. That's from the Smart Source July 31st. Well, actually, you got only 2 days to do it. You only got tomorrow to do it and today. So this is August 12th. This expires the store coupon for $4 off. And then coupons.com has a $5 off rebate as well, making that from $18.99, 7 off, 4 off, and 5 off, making that only $2.99. And of course, help me build up to my gas card to get another $10 off, or at my other transaction, got another $5 off my $30 purchase. So in total, oh, also Perfect Bar, which I didn't have this. I only had 25 cents off the Perfect Bar, but the Perfect Bars are BOGO at $2.99, and Ibotta has a free Perfect Bar. So if you can get your hands, if you have that Ibotta rebate, you'll get 2 free Perfect Bars. Wish I could have got it, but I've used it before. Believe me, I've gotten plenty of free Perfect Bars, plenty of free food. So once again, please hit the like button if you like this video. I like these deals. Once again, $107.43 for the goods. I had an overage of $16.19. Not as good as last week. I had like $272 and $17 overage, but I'll take it. Kept the streak alive. So once again, please subscribe. Please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here. Check out my other videos I'm gonna be posting. Trying to post a video first day of the sale on Thursday, as well as other videos throughout the week. Everybody enjoy.